Well, if you have got this update by now, then you need to do the first thing that you need to do after getting this update is go to the Microsoft Store, and then you need to search for the following applications, that is Calculator, Mail, all the updated applications. You can find the list in the official site of Microsoft, and you need to update those apps if they are not updated, or you can just click on update all and that will do the work for you. Next thing that we are going to do is just open and see the changes that Microsoft has brought up in the apps. First thing, Mail and Calendar, no updates I have received as of now. So I've tried it several times, but I could not get the latest version of Mail. So here is a screenshot that shows the latest version of Mail in Windows 11. Rounded corners definitely goes with the user interface of Windows 11. Now we can understand more the differences as they're coming up between Windows 10 and Windows 11, from that pointy look to the glassy curved corners. Now changes have come up in the calculator also. The whole application has been rewritten in C# with rounded corners in the buttons or the numbers that you are using in the calculator. It also has graphing facilities, and it has hugely improved the scientific calculator also. So that is one update that is coming with Windows 11. And personally, I think since these applications are there in the Microsoft Store, then they can also make their way to Windows 10. But also might suggest that just like Windows 8, 8.1, many latest version of the applications and several other applications like the Paint 3D had been banned, not supported. The same thing might happen in Windows 11 and Windows 10 also. So chat from Microsoft Teams is not just remaining to chats, it will also start the rollout of group audio and video calls with many of the features that are expected. Now we can create joint meetings, we can toggle the microphone, camera on off, choose our preferred speakers, mic, camera with device settings, we can manage meeting information and options, we can also share screen, see the roster of participants, admit meeting participants with the lobby, chat and see people's video in gallery view. Some exciting features coming up to Microsoft Teams in Windows 11. I am also excited to see them because Windows 11's Microsoft Teams has been very much fast and fluid for me. So I would say if these updates do bring any changes in the performance of Microsoft Teams for Windows 11. Now sadly the rollout has not happened yet, and I have not received the latest version of Microsoft Teams for Windows 11. Now whenever I receive it, I will put it up in the video, and I will put a private link, unlisted video, and put the link in the description so that you can watch it from there. The same goes for the Mail and the Calendar app. The Snipping tool for Windows 11 includes new visuals that build off the classic app with added functionality like the Windows plus Shift plus S keyboard shortcut for snip and sketch and other richer editings. So they also have introduced a new settings page for the Snipping tool. So taking a screenshot now becomes much easier using the Windows plus Shift plus S keyboard shortcut. So this brings up the snipping menu with the option to choose from including rectangular snip, freedom snip, window snip and full screen snip. Now I would like to say something that this is nothing new. We already had the same thing in Windows 10 inbuilt, like Windows plus Shift plus S does the job for us. You can now even doodle, use the highlighter, use a scale, protractor, everything has been included with the snipping tool. Also, I find that the Windows team seems to be really proud of this snipping tool that they have included in Windows 11. Now, they have even posted a video about this particular app in Twitter. So, what do you think about the future of Windows 11? What's coming up in the next version of Windows 11? Do write down in the comment and also tell me how's this video. I will probably move the operating system to a bare metal since the performance is not that very good in a virtual machine. So just for a bonus part, as you like all these unreleased things, so you would also be liking to see the material you design in Google Chrome. So I will be showing you how you can get the material you design in Google Chrome on your phone. So if you don't like this, then you can just leave this part. This is not related to Windows, this is just related to Android. So since it's kind of new, so I thought of covering it in this video. Also remember, you need to be on Android 12 to get this completely, and I am not in Android 12. So first you need to go and download an application that is Chrome Canary. So just search for Chrome. There we go, we get Chrome Canary. Now you need to remember this is an unstable version of Chrome. So click on install and wait for the application to install perfectly. Finally, after downloading Chrome Canary, we need to open Chrome Canary and then accept and continue. Now, you need to do two things. First, you need to write this and press the enter key. You should change this to enabled, and another thing that you need to do is put this in the address bar, press the enter button, click on enabled full. After this is done, we just go back to the home page and then we remove this from the recent tab and then we go search for Chrome Canary. Unfortunately, my launcher takes time to show up, so we'll just do a Play Store open. Now from here, if you are on Android 12, you will be able to experience material design. Now changing the system color, widgets, etc. The system theme also reflects it back to Chrome, and you will be able to see slight tint of the default color of the system that is being used. Remember, Android 12 is required.